In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Phantom wallet on your browser, making sure you're all set to manage your cryptocurrency with ease. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, the process is quite similar. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top. This is where we're going to find the Phantom wallet. Type in Phantom wallet, and then go ahead and press enter. You'll see a list of search results popping up, but what you're looking for is the official Phantom wallet website. It's always good practice to ensure you're visiting the genuine site by checking the URL and making sure it aligns with what you expect, taking note of any HTTPS security markers or website certificates to ensure it's secure. Once you've identified the correct site, click on it to enter the Phantom wallet world. On their homepage, you'll notice a download button. Go ahead and click that. You're almost there. Now, depending on the browser you're using, you'll need to select it from the list. For example, if you're on Chrome, choose Chrome from the list of options, then click Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation to add the Phantom wallet extension. Simply click Add Extension, and the installation process will start. Once the extension is successfully installed, the next step is to make it easily accessible. In the top right corner of your browser, you'll see an icon shaped like a puzzle piece. This represents your extensions. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the browser extensions you have. Scroll down if needed and find Phantom in that list. A little pin icon accompanies each extension here. Click the pin icon next to Phantom. This will pin the Phantom wallet extension to your browser's toolbar, making it super convenient for you to access it whenever you need. Now that Phantom is pinned and ready to go, it's time to open it up and start with the setup. Click on the Phantom extension icon, which should now be visible in your toolbar. This will launch the wallet, initiating the setup process. You'll be guided through a series of prompts that help you finish configuring the wallet, ensuring it's fully ready for you to start managing your cryptocurrencies quickly and safely. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed the Phantom wallet on your browser, making cryptocurrency management a breeze. Thanks for joining me today.